doing the laundry. It's a weekly chore for most of us, that's for sure. So a new product promising to make laundry less of a chore and cheaper certainly would be tempting.
We want all those things, don't we? All
yes,
that.
We do.
Every one of those things. Fox 13 consumer lawyer Eric Seidel is here tonight. He's been checking out one product that's promising to do that. Well, what is it?
Well, John, let me tell you, this is very interesting. You know, studies show the average family spends more than $200 a year doing laundry the old-fashioned way. But the makers of this new gadget that attaches to your washing machine claim you can get your clothes cleaner without soap and hot water. So we decided to put it to the test.
When it comes to getting their clothes dirty,
sliding in the dirt, in the grass.
The University of Tampa Spartans
I get pretty dirty.
Are experts.
Being around the plate the whole time, balls in the dirt.
You get grass stains.
Wipe your hands off. Definitely is just part of the game.
So who better to test a new product with a special pitch of its own?
LaundryPure is a new revolutionary way to do laundry.
Kathy Baskin sells LaundryPure, a gadget you attach to your washing machine. It lets you do the wash without soap or hot water.
It does this process with ions, ultraviolet light, that are producing oxidative gases, in other words, really bubbly gases. And those are lifting the dirt and grime off of the clothes.
Baskin says the water forms a sort of peroxide solution that cleans the clothes better than soap.
Rather than a detergent really actually scrubbing and getting down into the fibers, we're lifting and getting the dirt out.
She says the process results in brighter colors that don't fade. So will LaundryPure hit a home run or strike out? 3 of the national champs donated their after-practice uniforms to help us find out.
Everyone's always said, if you look good, you play good.
Into the wash they go. One pair of white uniform pants into the LaundryPure. Another equally dirty pair into a regular wash with detergent. The results? Well, see for yourself. The stains on the LaundryPure pants do seem to be lighter than the regular wash. Take another look. These are the pants washed with LaundryPure, and these were washed with detergent. But what about the company's claim to remove 99% of all bacteria? For that, we took the pants to Thornton Labs, where scientists tested both pants against a third pair. Our players dirtied up, but we didn't wash. So how did the results stack up?
The test showed that there was no significant difference between the two methods of washing that was used on these trousers.
Tests showed the LaundryPure got the uniform 99.2% bacteria-free, while the detergent did slightly better at 99.5%, a result our experts call a statistical tie. The bacteria might be knocked out of the park, but can our players see a difference?
Between these two, which one do you think is the LaundryPure, which one's detergent?
I hope the one on the left is the new stuff.
I'm guessing the one on the left, it's cleaner, so that's the one that was using the new process.
And true to their winning record, the Spartans are right.
It looks like it works pretty good, so I think it's a home run.
So now, what's the secret? Well, LaundryPure runs cold water through a mixture of UV light and silver ions. They claim that actually lifts the dirt from the clothes instead of scrubbing it out. Now, get ready for the price. If you want to buy the LaundryPure device, it sells for nearly $750. Of course, the company says you make that up in money over the years by not using detergent, fabric softener, or hot water. Now, if you want more information about this, you can log on to our website. That's myfoxtampabay.com, and click on Seen on TV.
Not bad. That's very good. So is this something you can attach yourself here, Eric?
Well, you know, it really is. In fact, the company doesn't even provide the installation. They say it's easy to attach to the wall yourself. Then you run the hoses to and from your washing machine. Of course, I haven't tried that, but they say it's pretty easy.
Well, if it works there, and no hot water, no detergent at all.
Absolutely. You don't have to use any detergent, but a company rep tells me you might want to pre-treat the ground in dirt because, Kelly, let me show you. These are actually the pants that we used, and you can see there are still some stains over here if you look closely at them, and they say that if we had pre-treated this, which we didn't do for scientific testing purposes, those would have come out. So they say if you're going to pre-treat it in regular laundry, you should do the same thing for the LaundryPure.
All right, interesting.
Yeah, definitely.
Thank you so much.
Sure.
Good.